guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marcella, and as you guys see here, we have a guest. This is Valerie. This is my sister-in-law. If you are in the Avon community, if you've been watching a couple of Avon videos, more than likely you're a new Avon representative if you're watching this video. So you may have come across one of Val's videos.
It's me.
And yep, it's Val. I have her here with me. So I live in Michigan. She's in Georgia. All of my family's in Georgia. I'm in Michigan for the week, just hanging out, visiting family. And I thought, I texted her like about a week ago. I was like, why don't we film some videos together? Like, we've never done it before. And it only makes sense, right? We're both Avon reps. We both love the products. So let's collab and let's do a video together. So here we are. We are gonna do a full face of Avon makeup. As you can see, this is gonna be the final look. So make sure you watch the whole video to see which products we use, right? And then we're also going to talk about some reasons as to why you should join Avon. So in this video, the two of us are going to talk about 5 reasons you should join Avon. And then on Val's channel, we're also going to film another video talking about the other 5 reasons you should join Avon. Okay, so make sure you check out the description box down below, and I will go ahead and link her video there for you guys. But before we go ahead and get into the look, I would love it so much if you went ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I am coming out with new videos every single week. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and we will go ahead and get into this look and the reasons why you should join Avon. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So like we mentioned, we are going to go ahead, do a full face of Avon makeup while talking about the 10 benefits. Well, I guess in this video, we're gonna do the first 5 benefits, right? And then over at Valorant's channel, we are gonna do the other 5.
Perfect.
So let's go ahead and get started with our base, right? So I personally am super obsessed with this tone up primer in Lumiere.
Oh my god, you are.
I know, like I literally am almost done with it, which I don't think I've ever done with an Avon primer before.
Yeah,
Which one are you using?
With this is my second bottle.
What?
Yes, I'm obsessed with this one. Seriously, I just feel like it leaves my skin look really nice. So.
I haven't used that one before.
I haven't used that one. I want to try that one.
What does that one look like? See, this one's kind of like shimmery.
Okay,
so
yeah,
it leaves like a really nice glow to the skin.
Yeah, this one does too.
A little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people were saying how this one isn't really good for like oily skin, but I can say otherwise. I like it.
Do you have oily skin?
Yeah, especially just my T-zone though.
Gotcha.
And then I like it.
Yeah, see, I love this one because it just leaves your skin. Sorry, I think one of the dogs was passing by. But it leaves your skin really nice and glowy. And same thing, like I feel like I can get a little bit oily, and this one doesn't leave my skin oily. It just leaves a really nice kind of dew. Like you guys can see, it leaves it really nice and dewy.
Yeah,
so
I like this one too. I like it. I don't know.
So
I like it.
Let's go ahead and get into the first benefit, right?
Okay.
Of being an Avon rep. So at the moment, and right, we're recording this February 7th, 8th. What day is it today?
Oh, you got me there. I think it's the 7th.
I think it's the 7th. You can join Avon for free, which is pretty cool, right? So it's been like that for the past year. And I know Avon has extended that till campaign, I want to say campaign 9, and if it's wrong, I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. So you have a couple of options with signing up to sell Avon. Free is the first one, or you can sign up with a $30 kit. So no matter how you sign up, if it's free or if it's with the kit, you're going to get the same benefits as all Avon representatives do, which is pretty cool. Obviously, like one of the other benefits besides you signing up for free, which before I get into that, let's talk about the base that we're going to use, right?
What are you using?
This is my obsession. This is the Avon Magic Wand foundation stick. What about you?
Cashmere complexion.
Cashmere complexion, that's a good one too.
I do, I like this one. Especially like, even like on days that I just want to like put something on, I feel like it gives me enough like coverage. I have a lot of red like spots over my face, so yeah, I definitely love this one.
Same with this one. So if you've ever seen any of my other tutorials before, you know that I constantly talk about this foundation. It's just, it looks so natural on the skin. And like I mentioned earlier, like lately, like this year, last year, I've just been like, I just want a natural look. So I just simply glide it onto the skin, or just put it all over the skin, and then I'll take a sponge like this and just pat it in. How do you apply yours?
Yeah, same. So I just like apply a little bit on like my forehead and then my cheeks, and then just blend it in with a wet beauty blender.
Nice.
Yeah, I really love it, and I feel like it gives like a really nice finish as well. Same. But I do think this is like a matte, right?
Yes, I think so. It's like demi matte,
but it's not too like over drying, so I like that.
So it gives you matte, but then you can still kind of see your skin peeking through. Alrighty, so let's talk about the second benefit, right? So at the moment, same, when you place your first order as an Avon rep, Avon, on top of you getting your commission of 25% or 20%, right? So it depends on the product that you sell. Avon's gonna give you a free gift on top of that. And so that free gift consists of our Physio Gel face cream, which, have you used that yet?
No.
No?
Have you?
Yeah. So like I mentioned before, I live in Michigan where it's super cold. I feel like just because the heat is always running, like it's winter time.
Oh wait, the blue one.
Yeah, the blue one.
Oh yeah, I do. I like the pink one.
You like the pink one? Okay.
They're giving the blue one out.
Yeah. They're giving out the blue one. That's like, I think it's the moisture therapy one, I want to say.
Yeah.
But I've been using that one during the daytime, which is good. If you're a new Avon rep, that's what you get when you place your first order, and you guys will love it. It's perfect. It's hypoallergenic. There's no fragrance to it, so if you're somebody that has super sensitive skin, then you will especially love it. But yeah, so you get that free gift, and then you also get a $10 credit when you place your first order that you can use towards your second order, and you're gonna get 135 free.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Lip balm. So
have you gotten yours? Well, those are for new reps, right?
For new reps. But actually, if you're a mentor, which being a mentor means that you recruit somebody to join your team, right? If you're a mentor and your new recruit places her first order over $60, you as the mentor also get 135 free lip balms. So we're all getting free lip balms around here. Val and I, we're both, you know, mentors within Avon. So what are you using? Are you using concealer?
Yeah, I'm using the cashmere one too.
Same one.
Which one's yours?
I have the shade Macaroon. I honestly
I have the Mochi.
Mochi, okay. I go between so many different shades.
But I love this concealer.
Yeah, it's a really great one. It's so good. I love it because it's super lightweight.
Yep.
I typically use the Tarte Shape Tape.
I used to use that one. Or have you ever tried the e.l.f. one? That like was a dupe for that one? Yeah, no, it was way too drying for me, and then Avon came out with this one, and
yes,
I had to. It's like the best.
I know, and see, because with the other concealers I used to use, they were a little heavier, but this one's so lightweight, which is nice. So and you can just layer it on, so that's why I really.
And it doesn't end up cakey.
Right, it does not cake at all, which I love. So yeah, I just put that all like under the eye and wherever else I want to highlight.
Okay, so number 3 is you get everything at a discount. And to be honest with you, we do use literally everything Avon. And if it wasn't for Avon, I feel like we would be going to like Sephora or something. So why not like sign up for the products that you personally love and you personally use. And if you never used Avon, believe me, you are going to love their makeup. If you're gonna sign up for something, definitely sign up for the products. And it's not even just the makeup, it's like all the products in general. I definitely recommend the products.
For sure. Same thing for me. Like, you know, Val, I don't know if you mentioned it, but you've been with Avon for 6 years.
For 6 years.
For 6 years, which is crazy, right?
For sure.
I've been an Avon rep for 2 years. So my career with Avon is not as long as obviously Val and my brothers, but I can definitely say that in the past 2 years, I have just seen the innovation in the products, the quality. I mean, every single time we come out with a new product, and it's pretty obvious, right? We love makeup, but Avon has hair care, they have jewelry. I mean, they have so much.
Even for kids.
I know, even kids products. So we're gonna talk about that a little bit later too. But seriously, if you don't already use the skincare, the makeup, you guys are going to see how amazing it is. So I love that as an Avon rep, like we just get that discount. Depending on your commission, obviously, is what your discount is gonna be. I have a video on commission, so I'll go ahead and link that down below if you wanna learn a little bit more about the commissions that we get as Avon representatives. But that's honestly my favorite part. Like I love getting my product at a discount. Yes, and it's cool because like, obviously you can tell how much we love the product, right? So we talk about it, we share our excitement, and you're getting a discount on top of it, and then people see how much you love the product, so they're like, oh, let me check this out, let me learn a little bit more about it. So that's honestly the third benefit of being an Avon rep, is that great discount.
So number 4 is sell to your families and friends. And what I love about it is that even if your friend lives like in Michigan, you can still sell from her all the way from Atlanta, and you can share with her all the products that you are personally excited with. And I'm pretty sure that if you love the product as well, they're going to want it.
Exactly. And yeah, like the cool thing is that you do get that free online store. And I know with other companies, like you either have to pay for it or you don't get it for free. So I love that there is an option obviously to sell face to face. So you're gonna have a lot of situations where like your friend, your family, your neighbor wants to buy Avon from you, which is cool. You can, you know, do that face to face. But I think, right, especially now with everything being online, if you want to work your business online, that's definitely a possibility for you. Like I personally work, I say like 90% of my business online. You know, I have a YouTube channel, I am active on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and that's just how I personally prefer to work my business. And I love that Avon does give, you know, representatives that opportunity to use platforms like that with, you know, linking your online store. So I love that. But along with that, let me share with you guys what I have in my eyes. So I just put on the VDL primer for eyes.
Oh, that's a good.
Which one did you use?
No, I just used the, I forgot what color this is.
Glimmer Shadow?
Yeah, in the color Sunstone.
That's a pretty one.
I love this one.
I
really
love
have to put a lot of makeup on your eyes.
Keep it simple.
Yeah,
but I see we both have the same palette.
Oh yeah. I'm obsessed with this palette. Seriously, I love this palette. I feel like all the colors are just so neutral and they go with like every look.
They're really pretty. Yeah, and I've been keeping it neutral lately. Like I'm not going crazy with makeup, but I grabbed our primer in shimmer. So I actually just did a review on this. I know Val did a review.
Yes, I love the original for like looks like with this one, but I do like the little blue one. Just because I feel like it gives like your eyes like a really good
Serenity?
pop. Yes.
Oh, you have that one too?
Yeah,
okay.
I love that one.
See, I have the shimmer one and the original, but I don't have Serenity. Yeah, we both went in with the Mono Pop eyeshadow palette in Mood Brown. So which colors are you gonna use?
I'm just gonna use this like, I guess it's like a brownish color, and then this tan. Well, I'm gonna go in with the tan first.
Cool.
And then I'll go in with the other one.
Yeah, I don't know. I always like never have a plan.
Me neither. I just like whatever.
When I open this palette, but I'm like, what am I feeling today? Let's see. Well, I'm probably gonna go in with this super light tan color too, just to go into the crease and create like a nice neutral smoky eye. And the great thing I love about this is it brings like a massive mirror. Number 5, so this honestly, okay, this is one of my favorite ones, and I make sure new representatives know about this because it's honestly the way that you're gonna earn the most as a new representative. All new representatives, doesn't matter how you join, you guys are gonna take part in a program called Pathway to Premier. So this is a program for new Avon representatives where within your first 8 campaigns, you can earn bonuses and free products, right? So this is on top of you getting your commission. I know, girl, yes. I love me some free products. Yes. And so I have a video explaining the full program. I'll link it down below so I don't make this video super long. But guys, okay, you can earn up to $3,300. So you need to check out that video. If you do decide to join, make sure you work with your mentor. As what I always tell people, work with your mentor to figure out the program if you don't understand it, to talk about some strategies about how you can earn as many bonuses as possible. But yeah, all Avon representatives take part in that Pathway to Premier program. So again, check out that video down below.
And definitely ask for help because I feel like when you look at the chart, it can be a little confusing. And I feel like a lot of new representatives don't ask for the help, so they just kind of like give up. So definitely if you need help and we are your mentors, please make sure to reach out, or whoever your mentor is. We can like show you guys as well, or leave like a little video down how to find your mentor if you don't know who that person is.
Right. And yeah, that's honestly, I'm gonna add in a little bonus. This is kind of a tip, but it's not, yeah, and I guess it's also a benefit, right? Every person that joins Avon, that's wrong, not every person, because some people just join under the company without a mentor. But you have the ability to choose your mentor. And so, like I mentioned, we're both Avon reps, so we're gonna leave our sign up links down below, and obviously you can choose whoever you want to join under. And the thing is too, like if you join under Val's team, you'll have my support. If you join under my team, you'll have Val's support.
We're like a whole team.
We're a big team, right? Take your time with picking your mentor because a lot of, and this happens a lot, people like message me and be like, hey Marcella, can I join your team? My mentor isn't working with me. And so that is honestly the #1 tip I have for people is be smart with who you pick as a mentor. Don't just join under anybody, but make sure that person is going to help you and guide you. So that is honestly a bonus tip there.
That's a good one. That is a really good one. So please take that in consideration. Yes, it's a really good one.
All right, so before we end this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna put. Are you already done with your eyes?
No. So I was still going in with the red.
You're still okay.
This is the red one. Oh, you're not with the other one?
What am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna do this champagne color right here.
Okay, I'm doing the little red one, just for like the corner eyes.
Yes, girl. She's
getting crazy with it.
Okay. With the red.
All right, here we go. Here we go. See how it looks.
Should we do mascara now?
Oh yeah.
Oh, did I
forget my mascara?
Oh no, it's right behind me.
Oh. I was gonna say the most important part.
I know. I'm actually gonna use a new mascara.
Which was that? Oh, the waterproof one.
Yeah, this is the Wash Off Waterproof Mascara by Avon. Have you ever used this one?
I did. I mean, I love how the little brush is very spruced out. Okay. So I feel like it doesn't clump your eyebrow, your eyelashes.
I love using a new mascara.
It's like the best.
Oh yeah, this is a really nice.
Yeah, I like that.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a really nice one. Out. Yeah, my mom, every time I come home, my mom has like a little Avon, not a store, but you know, she has some products in the house. So I'm like, ooh, what new products?
Exactly. What does she have here?
I never set my under eyes.
Oh, I did. I set it with the magic stuff.
Okay, so I'm gonna quickly do that while Val puts on her.
Okay. I'm using Love at First Lash, and just like the original. We do have like a waterproof one, but I think I'm done with that one. Okay. I do like putting them together actually.
And then I'm gonna use the Magic's Dust in Translucent. So this is and Val already used it. You guys probably saw her do it, but this is just to set your under eyes. So if you are putting concealer under the eyes, you always wanna make sure to set it because that's gonna help it last all day and make sure that your under eyes don't crease, which is so important. Do you do your eyebrows too?
Yeah, I haven't done them yet.
Jeez, you're faster.
No, I haven't done them.
Oh, okay.
But all I use is this highbrow gel.
Oh, really?
Okay, so like I feel like mine are like, they're not like thick or full.
Your brows?
But they're like, I don't really do much to them now. All I do, this is like, seriously, it makes them look so much fuller.
Okay. Yeah, I want to see how you use it. Alrighty, so we went ahead and finished our base, we finished the eyes, and we gave our top 5 reasons as to why you should join Avon. We are gonna go ahead and film the other 5 reasons over at Val's channel, and we're gonna finish off this look by applying our lip, the rest of our face, mascara. We're almost there, we're almost done. So go ahead, I'll leave that video linked down below. I'm also gonna leave our sign up links down below if you do want to join either of our teams. We really do hope that you consider joining our teams if you want to go ahead and join Avon. As you guys see, we both love the product, we both love the company, we love the business, and we work really hard with our teams to help them grow. And something that I like to say is like I personally like to meet people, you know, where they're at. So if you want to join Avon just to simply get the product discount, I'm totally there for you, and I will help you find the best products for you, right? But if you want to join Avon to get the bonuses, grow a team, succeed with Avon, I'm also there, and I know Val is also there to help you too. So like I said, we'll leave our sign up links down below, but thank you so much for watching this first part of the 10 benefits of joining Avon. I'm gonna leave Val's video down below, and we will see you there. Bye.